In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Klarna on DHgate and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if you can use Klarna on DHgate, what we may try to do is browse through any products and add them to our carts. So all that you have to do here is select any products available on DHgate either through the website or the mobile app, and you will be able to browse through them. So you can either select buy it now or add the items to your cart. Regardless of how you choose to purchase the item, you will be able to browse through the available payment methods and check if Klarna is available in your region. So once you proceed to checkout after you have enough items, you will be able to set up the delivery location, choose between the options, and under the payment methods, you will immediately notice the only option available seems to be pay with a card. Even if you browse through different products that have different payment methods accepted, you will never be able to find Klarna, it seems. So as of today, is that really the case? Is it impossible to choose Klarna during checkout on DHgate, or is there an alternative method? Sadly, as it stands today, Klarna is limited and it only truly works on stores and retailers that are partners, and sadly, DHgate is not a partner of Klarna. Because of this, using Klarna on DHgate is impossible. You might be able to work around this by using the latest version of the Klarna mobile app and generating a one-time use virtual card. However, this is extremely limited, and most of the time, DHgate will not be available even when you open the latest version of the Klarna mobile app. So because of this, it's basically impossible to use Klarna on DHgate. You have to choose between the available payment options, which usually falls into a new credit or debit card that you can register on the website when using your account. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of using Klarna on DHgate and how it is not one of the available payment methods on the website. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.